Today I'm putting an axle back exhaust on the RX8. It's straight piped right now and super loud. Way too loud for a non-turbo rotary. So I picked this up off eBay, Amazon. It's just DNA motoring. It's insanely cheap and really nice quality for the price. So hopefully it quiets it down a little bit. I'll get a little before and after sound. Right now it's just a real hacked together, real sketchy, hacked together straight pipe section. The section right after the cat's actually nice, and then they chopped it right here and did this real fancy muffler delete setup. Surprisingly enough, the tips are actually lined up pretty well, but it's way too loud. Yeah, crazy loud. Not gonna work. All right, that installed real easy. That was cakewalk. Really fit very nicely. Well done DNA motoring. All the hangers are in the right spot. Everything fit spot on. That's XS power mid pipe, and it fit right up to that, no problem. Everything seems pretty lined up in the exhaust holes. Get a sound clip. Definitely tones it down at idle a lot. Still pretty loud at wide open throttle, which is pretty okay with me. Mainly the cold starts in the morning. Crazy loud. High load. Low RPM, crazy loud before, so hopefully this tones that down a bit. Definitely an improvement for under 200 bucks.